Okay, so today we're digging into something pretty specific, but really relevant. A course certificate.
Mm,
It's for Excel time series models for business forecasting, completed August 31st, 2025 by Hisham affouri,
hmm
and it's authorized by Macquarie University, big name, offered via Coursera.
Right.
So let's unpack that. What's the mission here for someone maybe listening who wants to sharpen their skills?
Well, what's really interesting is how it connects something super practical. I mean, everyone knows Excel, right?
Sure, yeah.
With a pretty powerful analytical idea, time series models. It's not just about fiddling with spreadsheets. It's actually about trying to predict the future in a business context. That's incredibly valuable. Could mean seeing a big market shift coming or, well, missing it completely.
Wow, okay. Incredibly valuable, I get that. But let's dive in there. What exactly are time series models, and why are they so crucial for business forecasting? It still sounds a bit academic.
Yeah, it can sound that way.
Can we get the simpler version?
Absolutely. So, time series analysis, basically, it's about understanding data points that you collect in order over time.
Okay.
About to-
Sales figures.
Exactly. Like
Huh.
your company's sales month after month, or maybe market trends year over year. You're not just looking at single numbers in isolation. You're actually tracking a story as it unfolds. Then the forecasting part, well, that uses the patterns you find in that history, trends, seasonality, cycles
Uh-huh.
to make educated guesses, informed predictions about what's likely coming next.
So it's less crystal ball,
Yeah.
more smart spreadsheet, using the past to actually predict the future.
That's a good way to put it. Yeah, trading the crystal ball for data-driven insight.
I can see managers loving that.
Yeah.
Ditching gut feelings for something solid.
Precisely. It turns raw numbers into foresight. Think about maybe predicting a supply chain issue months away, or seeing a seasonal sales dip before it happens so you actually have time to react to adjust your strategy. And for you listening, whether you're deep in business strategy or operations, or maybe even just managing your own finances,
Yeah.
understanding this stuff is about spotting patterns others might miss. It lets you be proactive, not just reactive.
Got it. Now, this specific course, Macquarie University's academic weight, plus Coursera's, reach, that sounds like a powerful combo for learning this.
It really is.
Is there a downside, though? Does learning this kind of practical skill purely online hold up?
That's a fair question, and it points to a bigger shift, right, in how we learn.
True.
So Macquarie brings the recognized academic quality. Their business school, the actuarial studies department, they're strong.
Right.
Putting that expertise on Coursera makes high-level practical training just incredibly accessible globally.
Yeah.
You're learning from experts like the instructor here, Associate Professor Prashant Karunarat.
Oh, okay. Direct from the source.
Exactly. And Coursera verifies identity participation. It adds that layer of authenticity. It's a non-credit course, sure, but it shows you've done the work and grasped the concepts.
So it's like getting top-tier university expertise, but without needing to physically be there.
Yeah.
And you get proof.
Precisely. And connecting that to the bigger picture, it just highlights how important continuous learning is now,
Yeah.
especially targeted skills. In a world that changes so fast, adding specialized knowledge like this straight from academic experts, it's not just nice to have, it's becoming essential, keeps you relevant, agile.
Okay, so wrapping this up, we've looked at this certificate, Excel time series models for business forecasting, Macquarie Uni, Coursera. It shows a really practical skill and a very accessible way to learn it.
Yeah, fundamentally, this deep dive shows more than just a certificate. It shows this blend, right? Powerful analysis techniques, accessible, top-notch online education, and that constant need to build skills you need to navigate, maybe even predict the complexity of business today. It gives you a real competitive edge.
Right. And maybe for you, listening, it sparks a question. What's that next critical skill you could pick up online, maybe from a world-class place, that could genuinely shift things for you in your career, or just how you see the world? Something to think about.